In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this canyon pass animation in less than 7 minutes. Let's create a curve circle and press the 3D button. We need to update the path animation frames to 1000. If you want the camera to move faster, go with less values. S and X to scale in the X-axis. A to select all, right-click in S to subdivide. Let's remove the default camera and create a new camera. Let's follow path with the settings like this. Select the curve and press Ctrl A to reset all transforms. Let's rotate the camera to align with the curve. Let's add a grid with X100 and Y100. C to circle select. E to extrude downward. Ctrl R to loop cut 25 times. Let's randomize the mesh. There is our animation. This is the end of the tutorial. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.